Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, join us as we explore the top 30 space telescopes ever built and discover how they have transformed our understanding of the universe. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, we'll take you on an incredible journey through the top 30 space telescopes ever built, exploring the world's most advanced space observatories that have transformed modern astronomy. From the legendary Hubble Space Telescope to the revolutionary James Webb Space Telescope, discover how these remarkable missions have expanded our understanding of the universe. One. James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Country: United States, NASA, European Space Agency, ESA, Canadian Space Agency, CSA. The James Webb Space Telescope is the world's most powerful infrared observatory, launched in 2021 to explore the early universe. It studies the first galaxies, star formation, and the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. Two. Chandra X-ray Observatory. Country: United States, NASA. Launched in 1999, Chandra observes high-energy X-rays from black holes, neutron stars, and supernova remnants. Its discoveries have revealed some of the most energetic events in the universe. Three. Compton Gamma Ray Observatory. Country: United States, NASA. Operating from 1991 to 2000, Compton explored the universe in gamma rays, detecting gamma ray bursts and active galaxies. It greatly expanded our understanding of high-energy cosmic phenomena. Four. Hubble Space Telescope, HST. Country: United States, NASA, and European Space Agency, ESA. Since 1990, Hubble has transformed astronomy with spectacular images of galaxies, nebulae, and planets. Its observations have helped determine the age, size, and expansion of the universe. Five. Kepler Space Telescope. Country: United States, NASA. Kepler searched for planets beyond our solar system using the transit method. It discovered thousands of exoplanets, proving that Earth-like worlds are common in our galaxy. Six. Gaia. Country: European Space Agency, ESA. Gaia is creating the most accurate three-dimensional map of the Milky Way ever produced. It measures the positions, distances, and motions of billions of stars with remarkable precision. 7. Hipparcos. Country: European Space Agency, ESA. Hipparcos was the first space mission dedicated to astrometry, launched in 1989. It accurately measured over 100,000 stars and laid the foundation for modern stellar mapping. Eight. Euclid. Country: European Space Agency, ESA. Euclid, launched in 2023, is designed to investigate dark matter and dark energy. It maps billions of galaxies to understand the large-scale structure of the universe. Nine. Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Country: United States, NASA. NASA's Roman telescope will conduct wide-field infrared surveys of the cosmos. It will search for exoplanets and study dark energy with unprecedented sensitivity. 10. Planck Space Observatory. Country: European Space Agency, ESA. Planck measured the cosmic microwave background with exceptional precision. Its data provided the most accurate picture of the early universe after the Big Bang. (11) WMAP, Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe. Country: United States, NASA. WMAP mapped tiny temperature fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background. Its observations refined estimates of the universe's age, composition, and geometry. (12) COBE, Cosmic Background Explorer. Country: United States, NASA. COBE provided the first detailed measurements of the cosmic microwave background radiation. Its discoveries earned the 2006 Nobel Prize in Physics for confirming the Big Bang theory. IRAS, Infrared Astronomical Satellite. Country, United States, United Kingdom and Netherlands. IRAS performed the first complete infrared survey of the sky in 1983. It discovered hidden galaxies, dusty star-forming regions, and several new comets. WISE, Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. Country, United States, NASA. WISE surveyed the entire sky in infrared wavelengths, detecting millions of celestial objects. It continues searching for asteroids, brown dwarfs, and distant galaxies. ACARI. Country, Japan, JAXA. ACARI was Japan's first infrared astronomy satellite, launched in 2006. It created detailed infrared maps while studying galaxies, stars, and interstellar dust. Herschel Space Observatory. Country, European Space Agency, ESA. Herschel observed the cold universe using far-infrared and submillimeter wavelengths. It revealed how stars, planets, and galaxies form from clouds of gas and dust. XMM Newton. Country, European Space Agency, ESA. XMM Newton is one of the world's largest X-ray observatories. It investigates black holes, neutron stars, galaxy clusters, and powerful cosmic explosions. Integral, International Gamma Ray Astrophysics Laboratory. Country, European Space Agency, ESA. Integral studies gamma rays emitted by supernovae, pulsars, and black holes. It helps scientists understand the universe's most energetic and violent events. Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. Country, United States, NASA. Fermi observes extremely energetic gamma rays from pulsars, quasars, and gamma ray bursts. It continues to uncover new insights into high-energy astrophysics. Swift Observatory. Country, United States, NASA, with international partners. Swift rapidly detects and follows gamma ray bursts within seconds of their discovery. Its multiwavelength observations help reveal the origins of powerful cosmic explosions. ROSAT. Country, Germany, DLR, United States, NASA, United Kingdom. ROSAT completed the first all-sky X-ray survey, discovering thousands of X-ray sources. It significantly improved knowledge of galaxies, stars, and supernova remnants. Spitzer Space Telescope. Country, United States, NASA. Spitzer explored the infrared universe from 2003 to 2020. It studied exoplanets, stellar nurseries, and distant galaxies hidden behind cosmic dust. ASTROSAT. Country, India, ISRO. ASTROSAT is India's first dedicated space observatory, launched in 2015. It simultaneously observes the universe in ultraviolet, visible, and X-ray wavelengths. SPECT-TRRG. Country, Russia, Roscosmos, and Germany, DLR. SPECT-TRRG is an X-ray observatory launched in 2019 to map the high-energy universe. It is producing the most detailed X-ray survey of galaxy clusters and black holes. TESS, Transients Exoplanet Survey Satellite. Country, United States, NASA. TESS searches nearby stars for transients exoplanets suitable for future investigation. It has already discovered thousands of promising planetary candidates. CHEOPS. Country, European Space Agency, ESA. CHEOPS precisely measures the sizes of known exoplanets orbiting bright stars. Its observations improve our understanding of planetary composition and evolution. '27. NICE, Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer. Country: United States, NASA. Mounted aboard the International Space Station, NICE studies neutron stars using X-rays. It helps scientists investigate matter under the most extreme conditions in the universe. '28. Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO. Country: United States, NASA. SDO continuously observes the Sun in high resolution to monitor solar activity. Its data improve predictions of solar storms and their effects on Earth. '29. SOHO, Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. Country: European Space Agency, ESA, and NASA. SOHO has monitored the Sun since 1995, studying its atmosphere and solar wind. It has also discovered thousands of sun-grazing comets during its mission. '30. Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope, UVIT. Country: India, ISRO, aboard ASTROSAT. UVIT is a high-resolution ultraviolet telescope. Carried on India's ASTROSAT mission. It captures detailed ultraviolet images of galaxies, star clusters, nebulae, and nearby planets. Conclusion. Thank you for watching LSKSM Vlogs. We hope you enjoyed exploring the top 30 space telescopes ever built and learning how these extraordinary observatories have revealed the mysteries of the cosmos. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to LSKSM Vlogs, and turn on the notification bell for more fascinating videos about space, science, technology, and the wonders of our universe. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.